Hey, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this crochet scrunchie. I'll be showing you a few of my favorite curly hair up styles, and my friends at Slip Silk are gifting one of you this queen size Slip Silk pillowcase. So stay tuned until the very end because I will show you how to enter. Alright, so here I am with my elastic, and I have chosen this pink fluffy yarn that's left over from my crochet turtle tutorial. I just think that this fluffy yarn will be super soft to use, so we're going with this one. So create your slip knot. You're going to bring your knot, tighten it up, and bring it around your elastic. From here, I'm going to hide my tail end as I go along, but you're just going to put single crochets all the way around your elastic and make sure that they're really close together as well until you make your way back to the beginning. So I'm going to do single crochets all the way around and I will meet you back. Okay, so I'm back at the start of my scrunchie. You'll know when you have enough where if you pull it, you might have this space here. So you can just go ahead and stretch. You can just go ahead and stretch your scrunchie just a little bit so that you can add a few more, and then all of these single crochets will be nice and bunched. For this next row, if you wanted your scrunchie to stay like this, like a little skinny scrunchie, you can tie off here and this is done. I want a really large scrunchie, so I'm going to chain up 3. And I'm going to do treble crochets, so yarn over twice, insert my hook into that next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And I am going to do this into every single stitch until I come back to the beginning, making sure that if you're using a fluffy yarn like this, it can be hard to see your stitches, so you kind of do just have to guess, oh, like where was that next one, and place it in there, and just have a look and make sure that your stitches are close enough together. But I'm going to do treble crochets all the way around and we will come back. Alright, and this is what I have so far. I just have a few more stitches left to go, but this is pretty much it, you guys. It's the easiest, quickest craft or quickest crochet project I think you could ever do. So once you're here at the end of your scrunchie, you can just go ahead and slip stitch straight into in between these 2 treble crochets to connect. I like to chain 1, cut your yarn, pull through and pull tight, and then to hide this little tail end here, I just like bring it through. So that yarn piece is now hidden. Here is your scrunchie, and let's get into the hairstyles. This is my favorite messy bun. I basically gather all of my hair really high onto the top of my head and I gather it into a ponytail. When you twist your scrunchie once, then bring it around the back and pull your hair until you're just at the ends, and then you can just arrange it how you like, and it's just the perfect messy bun for every day. This next one is for when I want like a little bit to still frame my face, but I still want my hair back. So I'm going to part my hair to a side, and then I start sectioning my hair so that I can grab a chunk and twist, and then I grab another chunk and twist, and I just keep twisting it until I get to the very end. I repeat this on the other side, and then when we go to the back, you're just going to do the same thing as before, except it is in a low bun. And I think this is like a really good hairstyle, especially now we're coming into summer. I don't know, it'd be a cute little beach look or I don't know, I'll wear this whenever I want my hair out of my face, but I still want to look cute. Chucky is approving, so that's all that matters. But now on to the best part, the giveaway. If you haven't used slip silk pillows before, they are really good for helping your hair with less breakage and less frizz. So if you want to win this and start sleeping on silk, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and comment below what you like to watch on my channel, whether it's clothing or plushie tutorials or styling shorts. Let me know, I want to know. I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.